Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento with a GDI. This is the direct fuel injection engine guys. You have rattle noise coming from the top end of the engine. We'll explain what can commonly cause that, especially if you have a higher mileage vehicle guys. Stay with us, we'll explain about a thing that from my friends and stories that I heard online guys. People took it to the dealership or mechanics tell them it's normal because it's direct fuel injection, it will be noisier, but it's way noisier than when the vehicle first came out of the dealership, when it was brand new. So we will explain what can easily cause that. It will work on any generation Kia Sportage or Sorento with the GDI engine guys, and we'll explain what can simply do that. You don't need to remove your engine, we simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you where everything is located and teach you how to fix things. So as we said, that should work on most generation Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. Before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So with that being said, let's explain how we're going to do that now. So this right here now guys, it's a 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on. The direct fuel injection guys, how it works, you have a low pressure fuel pump that's in the fuel tanks and delivers the fuel, to a high pressure fuel pump. We're going to talk about that in just a second. Now, if you have one of those vehicles guys, many of you ask me what diagnostic tool is good, so we decided to put that information here. That's a computer that we use daily at the shop. That's our favorite scanner, that's affordable, and it works on Kia and any other car guys. It's an all system scanner that can pay itself off in one-time use. I'll put the link guys in the description if you want to check out more about it. So the low pressure fuel pump in the fuel tank will turn on and it will deliver fuel guys to this pump right here, which is known as a high pressure fuel pump. Let me remove that rack. It's installed on the camshaft. When the camshaft turns, that fuel pump will pump enormous amount of pressure guys. You have a sensor that will calculate the volume here as well, and it will send it through that pipe to the direct fuel injections. So direct fuel injectors are noisier than other engines because of the pump itself, because the injectors work under higher pressure as well. But there is something guys that can easily go wrong here. If you remove your pump, we have a special video that explains how to remove and replace high pressure fuel pump on Kia Sportage Sorento. If you do it wrong, you can catch yourself on fire or cause damage to the engine computer. So once you remove it, right here under the fuel pump, we have one device, that's known as a cam follower. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. If that cam follower gets wore out guys, I will start getting some side wear, but that will get wore out. What can happen, it can easily guys, it can easily develop quite a bit of rattle, and if the bearing falls apart, all that will fall in the engine and you can lock up your engine, end up needing a new cylinder head guys, and even more. So if you suspect that you have a rattling noise coming from that area, I'll recommend to remove the fuel pump safely because you can catch yourself on fire, and inspect guys that device, but I'll recommend to replace it. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from if you need to, and I just dropped ours. But that's the #1 reason for noise coming from the high pressure fuel pump. Sometimes it could be a bad pump that's going out and you need to replace it as well, which is not very expensive. The funny thing is that that pump itself, it's about the same price as the cam follower in some cases. And another thing that could cause it is noisy valve lifters, and we have a special video about that as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.